a video. I am on the bus right now, and I'm sitting in the. I have to sit in the seat with my brother's best friend. Say hi, Bryce. So you guys may see his. Oh, and I'm sitting beside my actual enemy, Sam. Alright, you're on run.
I got my eye on you.
Whatever. And my BFF to the world ends. Lexius. Oh, and Bryson just got off, so I have the whole seat to myself for 5 seconds. Yay. So here's another clips of my virtual enemy Sam and my BFF. Well, you better don't be annoying and I'll be your friend. Don't be annoying and I'll think about being your friend.
Hey, leave him alone.
I'll think about it.
Leave him alone.
And my BFF for the world ends, Lexi, and my annoying brother in the back. Sorry, where's my book bag? Alright, so I'm getting off the bus. This will be like a vlog. Cause yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh, my book bag's off.
Oh, don't forget the bus driver.
Wait, my book bag's not locked. Okay, so now I'm getting on the bus. The bus.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Oh, look at the bus go by. Do not look at the you just did not see the bus number. That was not my bus number. It probably was, but nothing else. My mom is probably not here because I don't see the car. So my dad is probably not here. Well, you guys. So yeah, and it is really hot. Let's see, Zusi Popo. Zusi Popo. Look at him. He's waiting for us. He's waiting for us. He's sitting on the top. He's sitting on the chair, Zusi Popo. Look at Zusi Popo. I love you. I love you, boy. I'll talk to you later, Boo Boo. Hi, Poopy. Hi, my Boo Boo.
Where's your phone at?
It was stinks in here. It still smells like onions. You need some deodorant, Tony.
Yep, so wash everything.
Then what's that smell? It smells like onions.
Don't smell like no damn onions.
So let's go talk to Zoto Popo. Hey, Zoto Popo. You wanna see my viewers? Hey. Get my. Hey, let me see your bone. You want me to throw your bone? Here you go. You got it? Look at this huge bone. He's a pit bull, so he has a huge bone. Go get the bone. Go get it. Go get it, Boo Boo. Okay, Boo Boo. Okay. Calm down. Now I'm gonna show you guys Wit, my cat. You probably don't know Wit, but this is a cat who's always self to self. He doesn't like being with anybody else, but. And my dog, he's taking a poo-poo. Jiggy, you take a poo-poo? You take a poo-poo? You just take a poo-poo? Come here, baby. You wanna see everybody? You wanna see how everybody looks? Okay, come on. This is my baby, my cheeky, my honey bunch, my poo-poo. My Jose Popo. Huh. Jose Popo, what are you doing, Jose Popo? Hey, don't bite my fingers. Hey. No, you get me dirty, Zeus. I love you too. That's Zusi Popo. That's Zusi Popo. What are you doing? See, Zusi, what are you doing? What are you doing, boy? You look so little in this view. But my Zusi Popo is not little. He's a big boy. Right, Zusi Popo? Zusi, aren't you a big boy? Aren't you a big boy? You're a big boy, right? What are you doing? Are you poo-pooing too? Where's Chico? Let's give Chico a little walk and I'm probably gonna get in trouble because I'm walking outside in my socks. My dad doesn't like that. I don't know if you guys saw my socks, but I need to get my dog. He's over at the neighbor's house. We'll keep him over there for now, cause he'll come inside later. I'll show you guys later whenever he comes inside. This video is pretty long, 35 minutes. Alright, let's go inside because it is really hot outside anyway. It smells like onions outside in here. I'm going upstairs. Let's see if Mommy's here. Yes, it does. It does smell like onions.
What's up, Kayla?
What's up?
I ain't seen you in a while.
I've
How
seen
you doing
you
in school?
either.
Hope you doing good.
It's good. I
You
love.
liking school this year?
Yeah,
I bet so.
science is the best.